Good.
What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Celine, and I'm 9 years old.
You're 9 years old.
This is my dream, being in America's Got Talent.
Oh. So, what are you going to be doing for us today?
I'm going to be singing.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Have you got any brothers or sisters?
I got a little sister.
And what's her name?
Her name is Dion.
Oh.
Celine and Dion.
Oh.
Wow. Really?
So, I'm guessing your parents love Celine Dion?
Yes, of course.
Right. So, when did you realise that you had a great singing voice?
When I was in the car, my dad's driving, and then suddenly I just sang My Heart Will Go On, and then he was like, wow. Why
Celine
can you
Dion
sing-"
song.
Yeah.
We got that. We've worked that out, Mel. There's a Celine Dion connection.
I know, but I'm just...
Yeah.
So, what kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like...
Celine Dion.
Yeah.
And what is your big dream when
To be
you
the
grow
next
up?
Celine Dion. She's got it.
This is my dream.
This is your dream?
Yeah.
Celine, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What artist are you going to be singing?
Celine Dion.
Well, Celine, good luck.
Thank you. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on, near, far, wherever you are. I believe that's the heart does go on. You're here. There's nothing I fear, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Here she is, Celine.
Celine.
Yes, and I remember your name is Celine and your sister's name is Dion, right?
Yeah.
Because you guys are all a little bit obsessed with Celine Dion.
Just a bit.
So which Celine Dion song are you singing for us today?
Well, today I'm not singing a Celine Dion song. I'm singing How Am I Supposed to Live Without You?
Oh.
Wow.
I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you. I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you. And I don't want to know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. But even now it's more than I can take. Tell me, how am I supposed to live without you?
like to hear from our very special guest judge, Laverne. What did you think?
I just want to eat you up and like take you home. You were so adorable and so cute, and your voice is amazing.
Thank you.
You are
You're
so
beautiful,
talented.
too.
Thank you so much. I am really blown away. You are so talented. Unbelievable. So adorable. I might just have to.
Many nights we prayed with no proof anyone could hear. In our hearts a hopeful song we barely understood. Yet now I'm standing here, my heart's so full I can't explain. Seeking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say. Staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail, the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it